I'm Anthony and this is my 1969 Datsun 1600. I'd always wanted one since I was about 12 years old, and around 11 years ago I found this one and jumped at the chance. What drew me to it is that it already had an engine conversion with an FJ20 turbo. Since then I've been improving and modifying every area of the car, like wheels, tyres, suspension, drivetrain and interior. The FJs predate the more popular SR20 that most people swap into these cars. While they're a bit older, they are known to be extremely strong. They've got a motorsport pedigree and they respond really well to modifying. Mine's only light tuned, but there are some really big power examples out there. The car runs an aluminium radiator with an integrated overflow tank, and I'm also running a Davies Craig EWP 80. My reasons were purely to do with a lack of space in the engine bay. The car used to be non-intercooled and ran the standard mechanical water pump. When I started the process of fitting a front-mounted intercooler, I wanted to keep everything nice and neat and standard looking behind the grille. Switching to an EWP meant that I could mount it off to the side and push everything far back enough that it all mounted nice and neatly and kept the front of the car standard looking. It's been great. Even though the 80 is the smallest of the range, it's never skipped a beat. I've done plenty of spirited driving, including a couple of track days, skid pan days, and even in the middle of summer, sitting in traffic, it doesn't have an issue. I have a few cosmetic parts waiting to go on, like fender mirrors, some gauges for the interior, and some bigger injectors and a retune for more power. I'm also planning to fit a digital controller to run the EWP more efficiently, and I'm really looking forward to seeing the difference in how it performs now compared to with the controller.